Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. So today's topic is web hosting. What is the meaning of web hosting? Web hosting is a services where a company provides a space on a server to store your website files and make them accessible online. When someone types your website address in a browser, first browser sends a request, hosting server receives it and it sends back your website files. The user sees your website. Real example, when you open YouTube or go to youtube.com, all videos, thumbnails, comments and data are stored on powerful server owned by Google. This server acts as hosting infrastructures. When you click a video, the server sends that video tag to your device. So basically, YouTube is hosted on very advanced cloud server. I hope this video is helpful. So if you got any knowledge from this video, so press the bell icon and like the video, subscribe. See you in next video.